is a very special place. Not only is it our home, but it's the only planet that scientists know of where life exists. The diversity of life on Earth is amazing, from microscopic algae to cypress trees, from protozoans to worms to eagles, mushrooms, and bacteria. The keys to life on Earth are the climate and the presence of liquid water, along with the right organic compounds. Earth is not too hot, not too cold. Its distance from the sun and atmosphere keep temperatures moderate, allowing water to remain liquid, which is essential for cellular processes that support life to take place. Radiometric dating indicates that the Earth is somewhere around 4.5 billion years old. It's constantly undergoing large-scale changes due to the effects of plate tectonics. It takes just over 365 days for the Earth to make one revolution around the sun, and it takes 24 hours for the Earth to rotate once. The Earth's axis is also tilted at 23 degrees, which causes seasonal variation in weather. People have long wondered if there's life beyond our own planet. Our search for life beyond Earth first requires scientists to find other stars that have planets revolving around them. These are called exoplanets. In most cases, these planets are very difficult to find and see, so scientists look for evidence that there is a planet present without ever seeing the planet itself. One way to do that is to look for stars that are rotating in a way that indicate they have a planet revolving around them. Let's take this example. This is a star that's rotating without a planet. Compare that to this star that's rotating with a planet. You can see it's moving very differently. It wobbles. Another method is called the transit method. This requires the parent star, the exoplanet, and the Earth to line up just right. As the exoplanet rotates in front of the parent star, the light will dim just slightly. Scientists can look for this slight dimming. The easiest planets to find are the largest, and so far most of the planets discovered are large, Jupiter-like planets that do not have the right conditions for supporting life. Scientists are looking for planets in the habitable zone, also known as the Goldilocks zone. What is the habitable zone? It depends on the size and temperature of the star, but it's the region around a star where it's not too hot, not too cold, so that water remains in a liquid state. NASA's Kepler mission is designed specifically to search our region of the galaxy for Earth-like planets using a very powerful telescope that's focused on space at a small area within the Summer Triangle. Already, thousands of planets have been discovered. Only a handful, however, have the right conditions to potentially host life. Going forward, scientists must study these planets in more detail, looking at speed of rotation, atmospheric conditions, and whether there's any liquid water present. The Earth is a unique planet among many, many other planets that we're only just beginning to discover. The conditions here on Earth have led to the existence of a diversity of life that is just amazing. Next time you're outside enjoying our living planet, take a moment to think about how the place we live really may be one in a million.